This is Halloween candy left over. Arsenal School. Wow, this is really good. 6th grade? Yeah, this one's K through 5. That was Ellie Goulding. Wait a minute. There's Ellie Goulding as a singer. That's fake. That's a fake name. Unless her parents named her after the singer. Space mission. Santa's space mission. This looks more stable than a SpaceX rocket. Sorry. Reputation. 1989. Whoa. What was going on in 1989? That one's Taylor Swift. Oh, I like a clock. In the windows, too. Barbie. This looks like our backyard. Except there's no squirrels in it.
Very cute.
I love the tiles. Look at these Spanish tiles.
Do you think the mom and dad did this one? There's Bluey, Lila.
Possibly.
Who's Bluey? That doll?
Yeah, it's a cartoon we don't know about. Yeah. It's a big deal.
I don't know Bluey.
He goes on tour. He's like,
Bluey's house.
he comes to the Benedum Center.
I gotta show you this.
I like the blackout windows. Like they only black out like the diagonal. That doesn't really make a lot of sense, but I like that. This one here cracks me up. So what was going on in 1989? And then at the bottom it says Taylor Swift. So actually she had an album that was called 1989, or a song anyway. Yeah. Dry care. Oh, daycare. I'm like dry care. Dry cleaning. Daycare. It's a dry cleaning daycare center is what it is.
The one up there in the front is the
I love
the person in the back.
I love that. It looks like it's coming out of her. I love it that's coming out of her shirt. That's her evil lair. Bark in the berg.
Did you make one of these? No.
I want to make one now.
There was one girl that made one over there.
Man, Jack Skellington just won't go away. Like everybody, that movie came out like what, like 25 years ago, and it's still like a thing. It's crazy. I like this one in the Porsche.
Yeah.
She's in the pink Corvette.
Mm-hmm.
Kitty Queen.
Some of these look like they have some help.
There might have been a little bit of help. The engineering. There might have been a little bit of with the structure, right? Yeah, like this one. That looks like the box, right?
Remember when we tried to make one that would not stick?
I remember when the squirrel took it apart.
There's my favorite nail place.
It's the best. The nails. Yep. Club Pilates looks like it's closed. Oh no, they're open. Okay, Christmas treasure. Ooh. This says Air Force jets. Oh my gosh. Air Force jets. Nice. Peebles Architects. That's pretty rustic here. I like how it looks like the lady's sitting down on the house. A Kirby Christmas.
You want to get a pedicure, baby?
Right now?
Yeah.
No, I'm still good. Why, you want one?
so good. I was thinking about getting my nail polish, but I can polish it myself.
This one's very complicated. All the leftover candy corn from Halloween. Good use of it. This is the Berg. There's traffic on the bridge. There's like, look, this one looks like it's an accident. I think it's when there was a snarled up. That's rush hour in the morning.
That's a bridge.
That's 2 bridges.
Oh, this is the whole Girl Scout bridge. Like this, with all these little.
Yeah. This guy's got like really into it. This one's surfing. That guy's surfing. Woohoo! Hang 10, dude. A castle. I like that. Very clever. Yep. We could use that for D&D tonight. That would be good. We could. Oh, I just had a great idea.
What?
I'm gonna build gingerbread house for D&D on like right before Christmas. Yeah.
Well, they sell them everywhere.
Well, I'm gonna make one. The Barbie Dream House.